How to copy and share your NGL link. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application on your device and then search for NGL application on the search bar. So just make sure that the app is updated to its latest version on your device. As you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to tap on open. And after tapping on open, it will lead me to the home page of NGL app. Also make sure that you are logged into your account. It's loading right now. And as you can see, this is the home page of NGL app. So in order to copy and share an NGL link, it is very easy because here you can see the first step number 1 is to copy a link. Copy the link, tap on OK. And now to share your NG link, you can share it via your Instagram story or your Twitter or your Snapchat application. So you can also copy this link and send it through WhatsApp or any other social media network so that you can get your friends into your link. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.